Hey, it's Brielle with Seibert Solutions, and I'm so excited that we have Amelie here with Appfire, and we're going to be talking about PowerScripts today.
Yes, awesome. Thanks so much for having me here, Brielle.
Absolutely. Do you mind kind of giving us an overview of PowerScripts and how it works?
Yeah, absolutely. So PowerScripts is kind of the most intuitive and easy to use scripting automation app in the market. There are other scripting tools out there, but PowerScripts, we're really focusing on trying to make it as easy for the user as possible to script their automation. Of course, you still should have some sort of affinity for scripting to get started, but there's a variety of kind of features that we have launched to make it more simple. And on top of that, the scripting language itself is it's called Simple Issue Language. So the name already says it. It is built on top of the Jira APIs directly. So we take care of the maintenance side of things. So that means that if you're changing between, or if you're upgrading between Jira versions, so you're upgrading to the latest version, or also if you're changing from one hosting type to another, you can easily migrate the scripts over. So you don't have to rewrite the scripts entirely from scratch, which can happen with other scripting apps. With PowerScripts, really the scripts are maintained, or basically like any of the changes are being maintained from our end. So giving the admins really the time that they need to build the automations and not to fix the things that might break.
Absolutely. I can see why that would be beneficial for the admins. Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
Do you mind kind of showing us exactly how PowerScripts works?
Yeah, definitely. So I have one example here. It's on data center, but it's just one of the many use cases. This one here, we are restricting the field selection based on user permissions. So we're checking on the PowerScripts is checking on the back end what the user permissions are of a specific users, and then depending on that, you select what you want to show them, what you want to maybe hide from them, what you want to auto add to a field based on what they have selected. So you can really customize how their experience looks like. So it's great for just enhancing the user experience for that specific user, and therefore also making it easier, right? Because they don't have the option of like clicking lots of stuff, which might mess up your instance. So let's have a look at that. Actually, I can make this full screen. It's probably better. So in this case, what we're doing, we're looking at what the issue creation process looks like as a user A. If they click on Create Issue, as you can see here, they have the selection between all different issue types. They can create a story, task, bug, or new epic type. And what I want to do now is for my other user B, who I know is always messing around, creating lots of stories, which I don't want to allow to him. So I just want to limit him so that he can only create bugs. So what I'm doing here, this user in the Jupyter developers group, Ziggy Stardust, is the one that I want to restrict. And then I go into the SIL manager. This is the central repository where all the SIL scripts are saved. All the PowerScript scripts are saved here, so they can easily be reused by any admin. This is also where you would have some of the functionality that I talked about. It's not in here yet on the screen, but you have like script snippets where you can automatically pull in script snippets. So just helping you to automate faster and more easily. You see here the code is quite short. The script itself, you don't have to import lots of libraries, lots of extra input data. You just basically get started right away. And then what we do here in this case, we add this new live fields. Live fields is this functionality that I was talking about that allows you to customize the field and how those look like for the user. And then I add it. PowerScripts also has a functionality that's called switch user. So what we're doing here is that we are switching to user B. So we're seeing how the instance looks like for the user B. That's also really great for bug testing. So let's say you have a user that says, this is broken, I can't see it. You can go into his instance, see how it looks like for him, and then fix depending on that. So as you can see here now, we're on user B's instance. We can see how the instance looks like for him. and how the issue creation process looks like. And as you can see now here, as he's creating an issue, he can only select bug as an issue type. So yeah, that's just been a really quick rundown. There's so many more opportunities with PowerScripts. You can automate really anything that you can think of. Yeah, that's one example.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate the overview, and we'll definitely link a demo, or put a link for a demo, or if people want to start a free trial, and that way we can reach out.
Perfect. Thanks so much.
Thank you.